Good morning! Good morning to all my subscribers, my channel. Happy Saturday to all my friends there on YouTube channel. I'm wake up now. I'm wake up early because I'm hungry. Then I go to my mom kitchen and I boiling water and to make hot coffee. And this is my milk. Then I mix a little bit of uh, corn beef. I hope guys you are happy now. You are enjoying there. To all my friends here on YouTube channel. And I share you guys. Uh, I buy black shoes. I wear mask, early mass here in the Philippines. The name is Simbang Gabi. Was tradition here in the Philippines during Christmas celebration.